Hey everyone, Dalton Grados with Grados Capital here. I wanted to take a moment and just share some thoughts that were on my mind regarding trading as a business. Now, I am someone who is hyper ambitious. There's a lot of factors that contribute to that. Even genetically, I'm the oldest child in my family. I'm the only son, and no one has to tell me to do anything. I just always, my whole life, even since I was a little kid, just have this incredible drive to succeed. And I am someone that thinks always is am pressuring myself to think bigger, think bigger. I don't want to make $100,000 a year. I want to make $100,000 a month. I want big, big things for the future. And uh, that's great. But one thing for me personally that is a downside to that is it's hard for me to think small, right? And so I put all of these big expectations on myself, and I even surround myself with other people who are ahead of me in life, which is great. But also, it can make me feel kind of like I'm behind a lot of the times. Um, and I wanted to kind of take a step back, and really, this is a conversation with myself, but maybe you can benefit from it. Is really looking at what we're doing here. When we're trading, we are not taking the easy route in life. There's many easy things I could do. I could have a comfortable salary. I have a college degree. Maybe get a just a 40K a year job. They have what do they get, like 2 3 weeks vacation a year, and maybe next year I'll get a 3% raise. Okay, but that's not the business I'm in. And so with starting your own business, with trading, a lot of times we see these people that are very young and very successful. I think of people I look up to like Umar Ashraf, for example. He's a great trader. If you follow me, you probably know who he is. He's We're the same age, and he drives a Lamborghini Aventador and made 2 million last year, right? Um, Trading can do that, but we have to think of it as a business. And so I was reminded today, as I was thinking about this at the gym, of someone who I sat down with that actually runs one of the most successful and fastest growing chiropractor offices in my area. And they're really just rapidly growing. They're in the newspaper. They're opening new offices and hiring more employees very quickly, and they're just really blowing up. One of the best chiropractors in the area. Well, I got a chance to sit down with him, and he told me exactly what the journey was like. Well, first of all, they had to go to school and become doctors of chiropractic. Uh, so there's a lot of time, dedication, some debt taken on there. And then it's two guys that run this office, and their first year they were working like hell, 10, 12, 14-hour days, and just completely running themselves into debt, just off of business loans, just trying to get this thing off the ground. And then their second year, they started doing a little better, taking on some clients, still working really hard, 12, 14-hour days, both of them. They started to get to the point where the second year they were breaking even. The third year, so this is 3 whole years in, still working 12-hour days. They started to profit, but not really, because they're using their profit now to pay off all the debt that they took in their first couple years. And then in their fourth year, started doing a little better. Fifth year is when I was talking to the guys. Is really when they started blowing up, started growing exponentially, and they're out of debt, and they're really starting to make their profits. So that's the entrepreneur's journey. And with trading, a lot of times we can be allured by quick money, and it is possible to make quick money. But what we're really trying to build here is a sustainable business where we work for ourselves. We don't have to report to anybody. We can make as much money as we want, and we could be in a place where we have total freedom with our time and with our finances. And so that takes time. That takes time in any other business. And I think that, if I compare myself to the chiropractor, I think my timeline for trading will be much better than that. I already see it's much better than that. I'm about a year in, a little less than a year actually. Um, so that's just some thoughts that I had regarding trading as a business. Um, it's great to think big. I'm someone that always challenges myself to think bigger, but at the same time, we got to step back and also think small and just realize that this is a journey. We're building something bigger. There's much easier things we can do, but we're not after that. We're not after. I did not, I do not want to have an average life, and so yeah, that's my thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think down below.